Hi, my name is Billy Podrasky. I'm an applications engineer for Hitachi High Technologies America, and today I'll be speaking to you all about the FlexSEM 1000. This variable pressure scanning electron microscope is designed for a compact and separable design. The column is compact, as you can see from the instrument to my right, and it can separate the column from the control panel for further space saving as well as flexible system placement. This system runs on standard household power. It only requires a single phase 1 kVA 3-prong plug. This is the same type of plug that's used for many of your common household appliances like your microwave oven. So there's no special electrical wiring needed and makes installation easy for any laboratory or office space. The optics have been redesigned to produce high emission currents as well as limit the lens aberrations for a point resolution of 4 nanometers. Auto functions have been improved such that auto brightness and contrast as well as autofocus take only 5 seconds. Automatic filament saturation, aperture alignment, as well as stigma correction are all possible also. Following a filament exchange, the entire optical axis can realign itself in less than 1 minute. These kinds of functions make operation easy and intuitive even for the novice user. So the entire optical system of this scanning electron microscope has been redesigned to produce higher emission currents which give us increased signals from our samples. Furthermore, the lens aberrations have been minimized such that a point resolution is 4 nanometers. Using these newly designed electron optics, auto functions has also been improved, such that auto brightness and contrast and autofocus together only take 5 seconds. Automatic filament saturation, aperture alignment, and stigma correction are also possible with this instrument. All of these functions come together to make operation easy and intuitive even for the novice user. Detectors for this scanning electron microscope can be outfitted with the typical Everhart Thornley secondary electron detector, a segmented backscatter electron detector, as well as Hitachi's patented UVD or ultra variable pressure detector utilized in low vacuum environments for secondary electron imaging. Navigation in the FlexSEM 1000 couldn't be easier. There is an optical camera mounted onto the specimen chamber which captures a low magnification macroscopic image of your multiple sample specimen stub for navigation. Also, SEM map is a brand new function whereby we can superimpose electron images onto that optical image for truly correlative microscopy. Lastly, I'd like to mention the beginner's guide specifically tailored for the novice microscopist. This feature is incorporated directly into the user interface whereby the operator can select operating conditions based on their observation purposes. For example, if the operator is interested in observing surface topography or relative compositional information or performing EDS analyses, they can select preset configurations for electron beam settings and they're adjusted accordingly. Perhaps the operator isn't sure what kind of information they may be interested in. Further help is provided, such that numerical values for all of the electron beam settings are provided, example images for the results that you should expect to get are provided, as well as recommendations for high or low vacuum operation depending on your sample material. Thank you for stopping by. Please visit us at the Hitachi booth, number 305, for more information and a hands-on demonstration.